Hello student, welcome to next semester. This is your fifth semester and I am going to teach you department elective from EC, which is scripting language, and the course code is 2EC DE55 and the name is scripting language. So everybody has gone through a very tough situation in these days, and since March we all facing a problem in this pandemic situation. So this is my request that everybody will cooperate and will understand the situation. We are working hard, very hard, and trying to explore the new things. So in this context, I would like to ask you people about your health and safety precautions. So I know that being an educated one, your parents, your family, and you people are taking care of all this thing. I wish your good health for your good health, and hope everything will be fine in very soon, maybe at the year end. So talking about our course, once again I welcome you people. So this course is basically focuses on the scripting languages and programming languages. Means some languages are truly for scripting one, and some are for scripting as well as this programming. So talking about this particular objective of recorded video, so every time you will receive one video for one lecture. So in that one lecture, the content which are going to take online will be summarized. Means this is one kind of a abstract of that lecture. So talking about very first lecture, as I said, our objective is to learn scripting languages and programming languages. So here, particularly in the first lecture, I will be explaining the detailed syllabus of this subject or this course. Then we'll see the lesson planning. I will move exact what will be the content for lecture 1, lecture 2. We'll discuss that in detail. So apart from syllabus and this lesson planning, I will be discussing the course outcome of this subject. Actually, the objective of this subject, exactly what you will learn, or what exactly after the completion of this whole course at the end of the semester, what exactly the actually it's a target or objectives of that course. So I will discuss that one also. And apart from this technical things, that the syllabus, lesson plan and objective, I will tell you the teaching scheme of this course, and then we'll see the links to get the material related to this course. So you already gone through one lecture conducted by me and Professor Tanuj. So in that lecture, we introduce this LMS to you people. So all are aware of that. So everything will be now available through this LMS. So we'll be discussing how to get the material and which kind of materials will be available on that LMS. So we'll talk about little bit on that LMS. Next thing, we'll discuss the conduction of all this lecture through WebEx. So in short, I can say that this first unit is totally reserved for this various steps related to this course, or related overall, this may be applicable to all. So once again, I'm welcome to you. Take care of yourself, your family. Be safe, stay healthy.